Mel's showing all the dewberries here. Y'all can see there's a whole bunch of unripe ones just down in here everywhere. Hey, there's one right there ready to go. Right there, Mel.
Yes. I noticed a bunch, but I'm not gonna take it.
I like those that are little, not completely ripe yet.
So like,
It's like sweet and bitter at the same time. I like it like that.
actually there's
Dirty hands here.
the black there inside, but I don't want.
Those are working man hands. Oh yeah, there's some. Right there's a. Just, I don't have no gloves on. These are stickers. Let's get it gentle. Boy, it's good.
Even inside it's covered by berries.
Yeah, they're just here everywhere. Lots and lots of them. So, if y'all want to see Melinda's secret garden, it's starting here. It's down behind her chicken pen here. See, this is the big chicken pen. And she just took some scrap wood and dug some fertile soil and put in places, and just a little place that's kind of wasted here. This fence is between the old corral fence and those posts and the chicken pen. So she took a place that was hard to mow, hard to take care of, and she dressed it up. She's got a little bit of everything. She's got those climbing beans, right? Those long beans.
Yeah, it's a long beans.
She's got those growing down through here. And she's placed all these sticks. I mean, she's just taking so much time doing this.
It is my fence.
It's like her little fence for them, but it'll give them something to start grabbing a hold of and climbing up. Look, she's got this all labeled. You see over here, I mean, I tell you, it's so cute. See here, she got listed Roma tomato. Look at that. Over here, she's got it labeled radish. Radish is growing in there, sprouted out. She's got things on the back of these poles too if you come from other direction. What does it say?
Eggplant.
Eggplant, and they're already sprouting. I see some right over there.
No, there is not. There's a one there.
And right over there? Yep,
Yes,
sure
yeah.
is. What's this right here?
Calabash.
Calabash.
Yes.
You got another one there.
They are all vines.
And look here, she's got Swiss chard and climbing spinach. Everything's labeled. Just took a little old wood, made her some little mini beds. I mean, it's really cute. Look down through here at this, and it's just a little hidden place underneath these little young trees. Things that she didn't want to get too much sun. Isn't that what you told me?
Yes, yes. I don't want too much sun.
And
the summer here is really bad.
Hard to get a lawnmower in here. It's just kind of a little jammed up spot, and she made the best of it. I think it's pretty cool. So she's got everything labeled. Let's keep on looking here at Melinda's now not so secret garden. So Mel, what do you have going here? Oh, right there it's labeled.
Yes.
Yep, cilantro. And it looks like it's all doing good down in here. And still all along the fence, she still got her little.
It's a wing bean.
A what? What?
Wing.
A wing bean.
Yes.
So she got wing beans.
The different kind of beans. This one here, the Asian beans.
So what's this one right here, Mel? Bok choy.
Bok choy.
Boy, it is sprouted too. Look at that. And did I see that's a lettuce along the back? That's that lettuce I sprouted, isn't it?
Yes.
And you transplanted some of it down here.
Yeah, there's a label there also.
Oh, on the side right there?
Yeah, that one there, yeah.
Sure is.
It's everything.
And then here, what's this one? It says broccoli over there, is that right?
Yes, broccoli.
It's starting to sprout on up around in there right now. Oh, you done made one over here too. Hold on.
It is extension.
It's extension, huh? Okay.
Uh,
So you done made a new place here. So you've got basil back there
yeah.
and chili peppers. Oh, and you got mint.
Yes, man.
You've planted
Everything
mint
there.
down here too, haven't
And I
you?
have another rabbit there. If they're gonna grow there.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
This level. Yeah.
It's pretty cute, Melinda. I like it. I like it.
Small, but I like it. You know, they're just like organized.
You know, this is the thing, that simple stuff like this, that anybody with a small property, a backyard, you know, you can do these little simple things. It doesn't take like fancy landscaping timbers and
Yes,
all these expensive
no,
things.
a lot of big space for just grow. You know,
The plants want to grow. Just give them the space for it. And work it a little bit. Keep it aerated. Put some good soil. You might have a friend or somebody with land that's got good soil. Take some old sacks, maybe some old dog food sacks or something. Go out and visit one of your country friends. Get some good soil from them and bring it back. If you know you don't want to spend the money for a bunch of like factory type potting soil or anything.
That's the reason I love to come. I said, I like to come visit here in my garden. Also, at the same time, I can pick some berries here close to my garden.
I mean, they are just solid too.
Yes.
Now, folks, just look. This is just berries galore, all down through here, all in there, everywhere. That's why this isn't mowed, because it is just full of berries right now.
Enjoy from
I think they do so good right here because there's two factors happening here. We have our cow pen right here. Of course, you know what happens in there. And the rain washes that off right through here. And then, of course, right over there too, the chicken pen, and the same thing happens with the rain. So I'm sure this is pretty nutrient rich right through here. Now, there's one right there I'm gonna grab. Heard a car door. Is that Cap coming home?
Yes. I'm gonna go out and
So I turned on my hay cutter yesterday as I drove it out from back here. Wanted to run it some before I went up and serviced it. I come through here, cutting along this pond like a lawnmower. Man, it started drying out a bunch just overnight.
I didn't notice that. That was
Yeah.
different, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I mowed it off down through here. That's this vetch. It's just laying here, drying out. See?
Yeah.
All that's cut. See there?
Man,
I wish the wind been settled like this all day. But here right at nighttime, it's beautiful. Cannot wait until that shop.
finish.
I tell you, I can hang out back here and work. Well, I'm gonna close this video out. I think Mel and I are about to head back up to the casa. I hope everybody's having a great day. Had a great day. Have a good night. Yeah, stay safe. And for everybody that's gonna be affected by these storms passing through after a while, you all stay safe as well.